been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I decided to do a full detailed foundation routine tutorial to show you guys how I do my foundation and get my flawless makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, since this is a detailed foundation routine video, I've already done my eyebrows and my eyes off camera just for the sake of time, because I do want you guys to know how I fully do my foundation routine. So first I'm going to moisturize. And I'm just using my coconut oil Palmer's Luminous Facial Oil. Look, y'all, I can't talk today. And this oil is real hydrating if you have dry skin. After that, I'm going to prime using the I Love Revolution Peach Delight Mattifying Primer with vitamin C and E. And I will have all the products listed down below in case I forget something. I have combination skin, so I just like to prime in the areas where I get the most oily, which is normally my T-zone area. And I crease a lot around my mouth, my smile lines. And today I am going to be trying a new foundation. It's the Coverfx Natural Finish Foundation. I purchased this from Sephora. I did the foundation match online, so fingers crossed that it's actually my foundation color. But this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to take a flat brush, round brush, and just blend it all out. It's a little white. I might have to add some of my other one with it. We gonna make it work. But so far, the foundation is really lightweight. But I'm pretty sure y'all can tell that this is not my foundation color, just like I can, which is why I don't like purchasing foundation online. But since they don't let you test it in the store right now, kind of have a choice. So I'm gonna take my Smashbod foundation that I normally use, my Studio Skin Finish, and just add some color to this. I'm just gonna take 2 pumps of it. I'm gonna take that same brush and blend it out some more. And you wanna make sure you bring your foundation down to your neck. Now then, I'm going to go straight into highlighting. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and mix it with the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. Yeah, I know these are 2 I always use. And I'm just going to highlight my under eye and my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and a little bit on my forehead. This should help bring some texture back to my face, where my face doesn't look so flat. Foundation kind of washes your face out. This should help bring some of the dimension back. And I'm just gonna wet my Real Technique sponge. I'm just using some spray. You can use spray or water. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And when I'm blending my concealer out underneath my eye, I like to look up just to make sure I'm hitting all those creases and blending it out to the best of my ability. You don't really want to rush through this process because this is kind of what makes your skin look flawless, your foundation. If y'all want a video on this eyeshadow look, let me know. Comment down below. It only took 2 shades to make it, so I think it's something that's real simple, smoky, brown fall look that, you know, y'all might be interested in. If you are, just let me know. Okay, so now that we got that blended in, I'm going to take my Lancome setting powder and I'm just going to set all those areas. And I like to go back over one more time before I actually set it, because you don't want to set your creases. And then take the powder. I like to push it into the skin. I don't really like to bake because it makes my under eye dry. So I like to just take it in, push it in. Yeah, that Coverfx foundation may actually just be my winter color. I still got the tan from summer, so I will give it a try again once my skin lightens up. But it had your girl looking casket ready. And I'm also just going to take a little powder and set my smile lines. Don't forget the crease of your nose. Okay. Now that we've done that, let's hop into contour. I believe I told you guys already, I don't cream contour. If y'all want a video on me cream contouring, I will, but I really just don't. I skip this step. But I'm going to use my True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance in medium to dark to contour my face. And I like to start in the middle of my cheek and just work my way back. And you want to go up to your forehead, both sides. And I just tap it in into forehead. This just makes your face look smaller. I'm gonna take this brown shade, this sculpt shade, and contour my nose really quick. I don't really have to do a lot to my nose, so that's why you don't see me like being all extreme with it. But I do like to bring it up to my eyebrow or into my eye so it looks natural. Okay. Moving straight into blush. Using the Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. You already know. I'm going to use Sola and Tau for my blush colors. I like to smile real hard and then put the blush on the balls of my cheeks. And you just want to tap it in. And what's ever left, I just like to put the rest on my nose. Just because I like for my nose to be a little rosy. Okay. Then I'm going to go back into that Lancome powder and just sculpt out the bottom of my face. Just to clean it up some. And I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I usually bronze before I actually put my blush on, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm using the Too Faced Sun Bunny. This just warms your face back up. Then I'm going with this CoverGirl Full Spectrum All Day Powder Foundation Matte Ambition and just set my full face. I used to set my face before I did my blush and stuff, but it works for me better. It seems like it looks more natural when I use the powder foundation afterwards. This is some really good powder foundation too, guys. Y'all should get it. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this Revlon pencil color Stay Sharp line and just dab my beauty marks. Okay. And I'm gonna go back into my eyeshadow palette and do my under eye. The eyeshadow palette that I used was Hanging in Hawaii by BH Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. And I use the color Coconut and this color right here. And I'm just gonna use those to do my under eye. Okay, then I'll just take a little mascara and put on the bottom. Okay, then we're gonna highlight. I'm going to use the Laura Geller highlighter. Well, it's actually illuminator in Peach Glow. This is what it looks like. Okay, so then we are ready to set our face. And I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray in Sweet Peach. If y'all only knew how good that smell. I love the smell of peaches and fruit anyway, so that really smells good. Okay, straight into the lips now. We are almost finished. And I'm just using a regular lip liner pencil. Just get one of these from your local beauty store, Walmart. And I'm using a Morphe lipstick in the style matte lipstick in Tempt. And it's just a mauve looking color. And I'm gonna go back into that illuminator and do my inner corner. And we are finished. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if it was easy, if there's some things you feel like I need to go into more detail about, if you were confused about anything. Just comment down below and let me know how you guys felt about this video. Thank you for watching. As always, thank you for the support, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.
Somebody told me I should hit and run, but